Alright, let's go do the gnarly 4-kilometre trail down to Palm Valley Walk. Woohoo! I'll see you guys down there, eh? Cicada Gorge. Wow, this is beautiful. Wow. Perfect trail for a trail bike. Wow, this is specky down there. Yep, beautiful. Oh, I got it to myself. Wow. So my buddy back in Perth, Helen, you'd freaking love this, darling. By counting the leaf bases, scientists estimate that some of the local cycads are between 200 and 300 years old. Some of these individuals were alive and growing here even before Captain Cook landed in Australia in 1770. Wow. Another 1.5 kilometres, and I'm in Palm Valley itself. slippery. Whoop, it's going to be hard. Whoop, up, up. Road is. Wow. One person journey. Wow, look at the big tall palm trees. Guess that's how it got its name. Okay, that's a bit of an enduro trail to start the morning. Dry now. Okay, let's go for a walk, people. Okay, so I'm just going to do this walk here, the Arankaia. Wouldn't be right if I pronounced it correctly. Place is spec. Coming into all the palm trees now. Wow, check this out. Like a big piece to shit off the bottom there. leaving an overhang, and all of these bits cracked off out of there and just tumbled down. Whoa. Imagine being here when that happened. Beautiful. Yeah, how wide it is. End of the valley. Now I get to walk along the top of the ridge line back to the car park. Up the stairs we go. Well freaking done.
You did it.
I sent you a message to say I got in, but it was difficult.
Oh my god, if you're saying that.
Well done, darling. How stoked are you? Yay!
All the way I was like, come on, the Marinilla will be easier, just go.
Correct.
Then today will be even easier.
Are you stoked?
Oh, yeah, I am, but I'm like also puffing.
Yeah.
He did one passing for me. Like
Yeah.
One really
Big dip.
step,
Yep.
and all the rest.
Yeah.
I didn't drop it.
Well done! Oh my God, you're a I'm so happy for you, eh? I honestly never believed I'd see you up here. Oh, I'm freaking stoked. Well done. You don't forget these rides. You never forget these rides. And you know, it just takes you just that little bit more above your fear each time.
That's true.
And it's beautiful around.
It's so beautiful.
Mate, go and enjoy the beauty. It's freaking spectacular. It's spectacular. See you back at camp. Enjoy the ride back. See you guys. Oh, I'm so happy for her. Go Charlene. Woo! Oh, what a legend. What a legend. So stoked. So glad she did it. You know, just sometimes you just got to bite the bullet and go, fuck, okay, this is hard, but, you know, just do it. Just do it. You don't know what you're capable of until you actually do it. And it does. It, you know, punches you through and takes you to the next level. Good on her. Woo! Smash down some sustenance and beat the traffic out. Look at that. How good's that? Well done, darling. So stoked for her. Oh, just, you know, can't live with regrets. That irks you more than the hard work of getting into the magical places. And this is a magical place. Right, now to get back out and pack on the way to Kings Canyon. Oh my God, I'm so late for my beautiful, freaking fabulous Franklins. You just kind of, you know what, people always do this. You always underestimate how long it takes to go a short distance, especially when there's beautiful things to see along the way. All right, let's go. Let's get out of here. Like that slippery sand. Just slides around on this shit. Mountain goat, my darling girl. Slippery shit. Let them pass. Cool. Thank you. Thank you. My little mountain goat. Aren't you glad you weren't born a GS 1200, Artemis? harder suspension and no weight on. The back just slips and slides. Oh, just so stoked for Charlene. Freaking wicked stoked for her, big time. Good girl. Let's go. Let's get this show on the road. Woohoo! And here they come. Here comes my little Frenchies. Where is she? There she is. Yay! Woo! Oh man, she's gonna be so happy. She's gonna be so happy. Look at her! Yay! Yay! Oh, I can hear her. She's whooping. How good! I'm so happy for her. I'm so happy. So proud. Well done, darling.
I'm definitely learning.
Did you get out by yourself?
So good. I was like, the fear was gone. So as soon as the fear is gone,
That's what happens.
easier.
You don't know how brave you are until you have to be. So did she ride out? Did you ride out all by yourself?
Just one, you had to do it, but it's just because I had a four-wheel drive in front of me.
Ah,
And
yeah,
every time
dangerous.
there's something in front, I'm like,
Yeah.
oh,
Well done! Oh, freaking yay! So happy for you. Say that again. So, to ride with somebody
Yeah,
who
makes
supports you, encourages you,
Yeah.
helps you, and has patience.
Patience,
That is everything. You, my dear, you rock. You know what? If it wasn't for all the amazing, I mean, every now and again I see the girls post something about, you know, sexism and racism, you know, in motorbikes, in the wonderful world of motorbikes. I haven't come across that, and I'm so lucky. Like, I've met, hands down, the most encouraging, supportive, fantastic bunch of guys. And that's my whole life. When I learnt to build gearboxes, when I learnt to do motor trimming, everything that I've done that was in a man's domain is because I had amazing men going, I believe in you. Yeah, hell yeah, do it. Have a go. So for all you guys out there, like yesterday when we left that Ormiston Gorge, this poor lady, the husband made her jump in the four-wheel drive to reverse the four-wheel drive up to the caravan. You should have seen the way he was speaking to her. She would have been like full-blown anxiety. And he's like, just an inch. Instead of going, darling, let me show you how to do it, because just one day I might be injured or something and I'll need you to do this on your own. You know, you'll be the one saving our family. Instead, he spoke to her like shit. And I had to bite my tongue to, you know, not go up and say, mate, fucking be nice to her. She's shitting herself, and you, the way that you're speaking to her and putting her down, is making it worse. Just fucking encourage her. It should be mint at it, and there's one less fucking thing you have to do. You know, that's it. Good men supporting gutsy women. That's what we need more of. Well done. Stoked I met you two. Right, let's pack up and get out of here. Woo! More adventures, hit the road. All right, come on, darling girl. Let's go on an adventure. Right, let's get out of here. So specky. Yeah, go the hard way, Roz. Oh good, I'm just going to take some video footage. I can't go past without taking footage. It's beautiful. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Oh, very kind of him. A gruntled. Oh, that's funny. And those, like, the curves are just like big crowns. Stunning. So pretty, so bloody pretty. Charlene and Co to come through. About 7 calves have passed me while I've been pulled up. So I hope she's all right. I think I'll wait. See you, buddy. Here she comes. Yay! Woohoo! Where you going? Oh, something's rattling on a bike. Good girl. So happy for her. Oh, so happy. I just, this brings back all the feelings of when I first started, the little achievements. You do, you just get really chuffed with yourself. Oh, I can imagine how good a rider I'm going to be in 10 years' time. 2/3 of the trail done, 1/3 to go. Back on the road. Let's go, darling girl. Good lad, looking after his girl. Good lad. Oh, they're going to seal the Marini in a loop. Oh. Well, glad we're going to get to do it before they do. Let's get this girl coming out. This will be one adventure she won't forget. So chuffed for her. Hey, there she is. Wicked. Great adventure. Yay! Yay! Yeah. I can hear something rattling on your bike when you rode past. Is it the stand? Yeah, no, it's something else. Well, anyway, we've had a good look. Everything looks fine. Hurry on. You too. All right, music time. The what down? Rubber down, always. Well, that's a plan. And watch out for those horses. See you guys.